In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your GitHub plan. GitHub is an essential tool for developers, providing a platform to manage and store your code. Perhaps you're looking to access more features or scale your existing project to accommodate a growing team. Upgrading your GitHub plan is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're all set up and ready to go with the plan that best fits your needs. First, you'll want to navigate to your GitHub homepage. Once there, glance up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. This acts as your gateway to all personal settings within your GitHub account. Click on this profile picture and a drop-down menu should appear. Select the option labeled Settings to proceed. Once you're in your account settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories to help you manage different aspects of your account efficiently. Look for the tab that reads Billing and Plans. Clicking on this will take you to another page where you can view details about your current subscription plan. On this new page, you'll see a section labeled Current Plan. This is where you can find an option to upgrade your plan. Select Upgrade Plan to continue. Updating your plan brings you several options based on your organization's needs. Firstly, you have the GitHub Pro plan. This is tailored for individual developers who are perhaps looking for more advanced features without needing the scale that comes with the organizational plans. This plan offers several tools for enhanced productivity and support across your coding projects. Next up, there's GitHub Team, designed for organizations. If you're managing a team in need of collaboration tools and administration capabilities, this plan is an ideal choice. It enables seamless teamwork with features designed to facilitate group productivity. Finally, there's GitHub Enterprise, which caters to large organizations looking for comprehensive solutions to manage extensive repositories or deploy GitHub in their own infrastructure. If your organization falls into this category, the Enterprise plan provides the most robust features and support. Once you've chosen the plan that fits your needs, the next step involves entering your payment details. If you haven't saved your information already, you'll need to provide your payment information. This process is straightforward, and you can enter your details securely on the site. Be sure to double-check that all your information is accurate to avoid any issues with the upgrade. Finally, it's time to seal the deal by clicking Confirm Upgrade. This final step confirms your selection and processes your upgrade. Once you've done this, your account will be updated with the new plan you've chosen. And there you have it. You're now all set with your updated GitHub plan. Whether it's expanding the resources available or upgrading for individual needs, updating your plan is a crucial step towards optimizing your productivity on this platform. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.